Smeg Range cookers offer a variety of different aesthetics, from traditional to modern to even a bright pop of colour, in a whole host of sizes ranging from 60 centimetres all the way up to 150 centimetres too. Aside from being a feature and focal point in any kitchen, they also offer a whole range of functions too. Whether it's a dual fuel range cooker with a gas hob top with electric oven, or an all-electric range cooker with a super efficient induction hob top, there's something to suit any kitchen and cooking style. The Smeg range cookers are made from solid materials, including metal dials and triple or quadruple glazed stainless steel doors. The oven cavities are spacious and offer a selection of different cooking functions. Circular for everyday cooking and effective baking, a thermostatically controlled grill for energy efficient and effective grilling, and a roasting function called turbo that ensures juicy and tender meats. Some Smeg range cookers also offer features such as telescopic rails, a food probe, and the addition of steam. There are also a whole host of cleaning options available. The standard feature of double-dipped enamel ensures a durable and smooth interior for simple daily maintenance. There are specially designed cleaning functions such as Vapor Clean to soften food spillages to make cleaning easy. Or with the self-cleaning pyrolytic function, it's possible to keep the Smeg range cooker looking like new. The Smeg range cookers offer style and performance. To see how they work, have a look at some of our other videos.